How to create a blog on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually create a blog on WordPress. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to create a blog on WordPress, all you have to do is first of all make sure that you've installed a decent blogging theme, right? So what you can do is instead you can come to the appearance tab, of course, as always, if you have not installed it, and then go to the add new button. Of course, once you go to the add new button over here, you simply want to search for a blogging theme. So I'll just go ahead and type in blogging over here. Once I search for a blogging theme, there are different types of themes that are available for blogging and which you think might be the cup of tea for you, and you can just go ahead and install those plugins. In this case, I've already installed a plugin. Now in order to create a blog, all we have to do is we're not going to add pages, but we're going to add posts. So basically we're going to go to the post section. I have not yet created any type of post, so if I want to create a new post, first of all I can select categories, I can choose the add tags, and then I'll just select the option called add new over here right next to post. I can give a title for my blog, right? So I'll just go ahead and then enter anything for my post. Similarly, I can go ahead and type in anything. Now if you want to edit it with Elementor, then you can also go ahead and do that, which is basically a blog editor, because I have installed Elementor plugin. I'll just select the option called Elementor and edit with Elementor in this case. Now I can go ahead and figure out what my blog is going to be looking like. I can just add an inner section. I can go ahead and write whatever I want, and then in the end, if I want to publish it, I just need to go ahead and then click on the publish button from the bottom left of the screen. And that's basically how you can create a blog on WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.